Hello! Today we'll be checking out the Fitbit Ace 3 Kids. The one we're looking at today is Cosmic Blue and Astro Green. There's a few other colors listed, but right on the box this talks about its activity tracking, challenges and goal celebration, sleep tracking, it's swim proof up to 50 meters, and up to 8-day battery life. Now, when you get a kid's Fitbit app, it is very easy and simple to set up, and it is all in the Fitbit app. You add the child to your family account, and from there on a specific device you are able to go through and customize the watch and add it to your account. So it's very simple to put it on. They recommend you put it on your non-dominant arm, so we're putting it on my nephew's left arm. Now the clock faces and everything else can be customized in the Fitbit app. The Fitbit app is where you'll be able to see all the activity tracking and all healthy habits that your kid might have. You can also form healthy sleep habits with sleep tracking and bedtime reminders and silent alarms. Kids can also challenge their family to step competitions and send each other messages or cheers in the Fitbit app. Just like everybody else, kids can also earn virtual badges and fun on-screen celebrations when they reach their goals. I did mention this earlier, but it does have an 8-day battery life. Of course, it varies with certain use factors. Everything is very easy to see on here. All I have to do is tap the screen to flip through the various different things like your steps, how many activity minutes you've had. Alright, so let's take it off to get a better look on the camera. Alright, so the main screen for Caius here is a rocket ship, and it displays the time, and if you tap, it will, if I can tap correctly, well, you can also slide up. If you slide up, it can display the time, the date, how many steps you have, how many, hours you've stepped your minimum step goal, and how many exercise minutes you've had. You can also see your sleep data if you choose to wear this while you are sleeping. There are other ways I'm going to see if I can get... There is a water lock if you decide to wear this during swimming. You can just change that by pressing both the sides. You can activate it. Do not disturb, that's an option as well. No sleep mode. And screen wake, you can adjust those settings as well. But very simple, easy to use. As you can see, I wear and have Fitbit devices as well, so having the child version is a great way to get the entire family involved. Alright, so inside the box we also have the instruction manual and charger. The instruction manual tells you how to wear and care, how to charge the battery, and warranty summary. Now this right here is the charging cable. As you can see, it's a USB charger, and all you have to do is find the area in the bottom that lines up with the charger and slide that on. Very simple, easy to charge, very similar to other Fitbit products. If you have them, this should not be a problem. But that's how you charge it.
I'm really excited to have a new watch because now if I have play dates, I can see what time I can come back, and I'll be like, oh, sorry, it's time to go. My mammy said I had to leave at an example time, 2:50 or something. And
Alright, so that's a look at the Fitbit Ace 3 for kids. Thanks for
Thanks for watching.